Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm pre-recording this video tonight for tomorrow because I don't really have time to wake up tomorrow, make a video, and then go to work, because tomorrow they making me work early in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning. So I have to wake up early and get ready for work, and I don't have time to upload a video. I just wake up, get ready, eat something, and then go to work. So yeah, morning shifts are not bad. They kill the day faster, but I like sleeping in sometimes. But whatever, it's fine. So the Monkway's back. He's been away for a while. I'm gonna make a video of me messaging him. Yeah, see what he replies. I don't know. He was gone for a while. He was gone like for a good 2 or 3 months. Now he's back and he's doing the same kind of videos I'm doing. Talking and recording and posting the video. Like, I don't know if he has a script in front of him, but if he sees my video, that'd be great. We could talk. I always wanted to do a collab with him, but he says he's not really into collabs. That'd be great if he did a collab with me. So let's go. I always like to go back and see my 3 picks from last time. The first one I picked was CanTrust, $7.33, and right now it's $8.24. That was made on December 15th, and on December 15th I was actually worried about the market. I told everyone to be careful because, on December 24th, CanTrust was at $6.09. You would have made a pretty nice return if you bought it around $6.09. You would have made a 35.3% return. But you can't predict the future. What happened if it went down lower? So, I mean, if I wasn't so scared and, people were telling me if I just ignored the stock market crash, just kept buying stocks and doing what I was doing without worrying about a stock market crash, I probably would have made more money, to be honest, because, CanTrust went up, all the stocks I sold at a loss went up, Aurora went up, Canopy went up. I lost a lot of money because I gambled on a stock market crash and it didn't happen, and now the stock market is rallying. I mean, this could be a fake rally. The market still can crash, but for some reason, I don't think so. I think Donald Trump saved the stock market. But yeah, CanTrust, would have made a nice return. True Eve was my next pick. True Eve. Let's see if I can find True Eve. Well, Apple was actually the one after that. So Apple was my next pick. I did say watch Apple. I never said buy Apple. I said watch Apple because I made this on December 15, 2018. So I was saying that Apple could be a buy if it dips real bad. And, ever since I made that video, which was right when the stock price was 168, you could have bought it when it was down here, made a decent return, or even when it was down here, would have made a nice decent return. If you bought it and then it rebound back. I don't know where Apple's gonna head. Like earnings are coming out soon. The stock could plummet back to 140, which would make it a pretty decent buying opportunity. And my third stock was True Eve. I talked about it at 10.56. The stock dropped all the way down to 9.24. You would have made a nice 56% return if you bought it at 9.26. You would have made a 56% return. That would have been a nice return of your value. I don't think the stock will continue to go up, but at the end of the day, I could be wrong, and it could go up to 20 bucks, 21 bucks. Could, but I don't think so. I think, no, I don't, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I just don't think it's going to rally up that high. Just my opinion. Tesla, you know, oh, sorry. So now it's my top 3 picks for February. So my first pick is Tesla. Tesla cut its workforce by 7%, probably because they want to be profitable and they need the stock price to go up. So they cut it, but that did the opposite effect, and the stock plummeted quite a bit on the day of announcement. It went from, you know, $347 all the way down to, you know, $302, which was a 13% drop. Could be a buying opportunity, but you know, this is one of my recommendations. I'm saying that if it drops further, the further it drops, the better it is. I don't think the company is going to go bankrupt. I think Elon Musk is going to consistently put out positive earnings report, and that's going to rebound the stock. So he said he promises to be profitable moving forward. So this could just be a buying opportunity for anybody that's interested. And for people that say, oh, Tesla is too expensive. Tesla is not expensive because of their share structure. Just because they're a $300 company doesn't mean they're expensive. Apple is still like 10 times more expensive than Tesla. Yes, it doesn't make any sense for people who are not familiar with the stock market, but they are. You know, Tesla is more expensive than Ford. Ford is cheaper than Tesla, and Ford is the better company. But Tesla has the speculation behind it. They have, you know, it's just like, it's also kind of like a tech company versus Ford, which is kind of just pure car company. So that's my first pick. Joom is my second pick. Joom had his nice rally. It fell back, and now it's just kind of hanging around here. It could have a rally again. I'm waiting for it to drop to maybe 42 cents. If I see it drop to 42 cents or below, I'll definitely be picking up some. You know, just for a swing trade. If no one knows, Joom is basically owned by Aurora. They don't officially own it, but they have debentures that they can convert to own more shares of Joom. They also supplied Joom with a ton of money, almost $27 million so far to the company to build out the business. I believe that in the future, if Joom does a good job, if Joom's management does a good job, Aurora is just going to take them out with their stock value. This is just my opinion, though. We'll see how Joom's business develops in the future. And I guess my last stock is Constellation Brand. Constellation Brand had a rough, I guess, year. The stock is it seems to be undervalued at the current price. It could go down further. It could go down to, I don't know, like 153. You know, I don't think it'll ever go back down to like $100, but but you know, because of Canopy stock rallying, could cause Constellation Brand stock to rally too. I mean, I honestly think that it might be a decent buy, but at the same time, if the market crash, I think the stock will probably go with it too. Right now, it is a dangerous time to be, you know, putting your money back in the market. But since this already had such a big correction, even in the market crash, it might not affect the stock too much. So I would say it's a not bad buy. And they do own Canopy, so you kind of like owning Canopy with this stock too. So if you're bullish on Canopy, this is a good hedge to owning Canopy in a sense, because they basically own 40% of Canopy, or 38%, with options to own more, like 45%. And the fact that the market cap is not too far away from Canopy growth makes it, I think, makes it an attractive buy. Hold on, let me just See if I can get you a market cap here. 14.9 billion versus which is Constellation Brand, which is 31 billion. So Canopy is almost, Canopy is half of what Constellation Brand is. Constellation Brand's a business, and they pay a dividend, and they do buybacks. So Constellation Brand is definitely a safer company than Canopy, but Canopy is a weak company. But by owning Constellation Brand, you're also owning Canopy too. So that's just my recommendation. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. This is just me making a video to get paid by YouTube for my corporation that I'm not even using the money for. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.